Angelfish, gliding with a swish. B is for barracuda, a barracuda sleek and so fast, a predator that lasts. C is for clownfish, the clownfish hiding in the sea, anemones are key. D is for damselfish, the damselfish bright and bold, a beauty to behold. E is for electric catfish, electric catfish often surprise with electric supplies. F is for flounder, a flounder flat as can be, hiding in the sea. G is for gar, the gar with teeth so sharp, a fishy superstore. H is for haddock, haddock in the ocean it roams, loved in many homes. I is for Indian threadfish, Indian threadfish, a shimmering delight in tropical light. J is for jackfish, jackfish quick in a stream, fast as a dream. K is for koi, koi in a pond of peace, their colors never cease. L is for lionfish, lionfish with spines so grand, a reef they command. M is for mahi-mahi, mahi-mahi golden and green, a sight to be seen. N is for neon tetra, neon tetra glowing so bright, a freshwater delight. O is for Oscarfish, Oscarfish smart and bold, a joy to behold. P is for pufferfish, a pufferfish puffing up wide, a balloon in the tide. Q is for Queen Angelfish, Queen Angelfish with colors so royal, their beauty is loyal. R is for rainbowfish, rainbowfish colors in the light, a shining delight. S is for salmon, salmon swimming upstream, fulfilling their dream. T is for tuna, tuna fast in the blue, a traveler true. U is for unicornfish, unicornfish with a horn on its head, a reef it will tread. Is for viperfish, the viperfish deep in the dark, it makes its mark. W is for wahoo, wahoo, zooming through the waves in the oceanic maze. X is for X-ray tetra, X-ray tetra with a body so clear, it looks like it's sheer. Y is for yellow tang, yellow tang, bright as the sun, swimming for fun. Z is for zebra shark, zebra shark with stripes so neat, it prowls the deep.